Introducing Blossom ID technology with installed the Tombo360X by Rydeen Mobile on a beautiful 2012 Subaru STI, showing tri-split mode with a 360-degree panoramic view in the center and swipe control to pan around, while the left and right screens display selectable angles like front, side, or cabin. Demonstrating wide mode for an ultra-wide forward view, split mode for multiple perspectives, and tri-split for the full 3-screen experience. Highlighting 360-degree recording from a single 4K camera with loop recording, USB-C file transfer, and optional 2-channel recording when a rear camera is added. Showing how the mirror continues recording even when the display is off and functions as a standard reflective mirror. Emphasizing the internal image-flattening processing that reduces wide-angle distortion and the Sony HDR CMOS sensor that maintains clarity in challenging lighting. Follow, tag, give us thumbs up, visit Rydeen Mobile.